Who's going to be the lucky one to get stung on the mouth today? Let's see. Who's it going to be? Is it going to be Diesel? Did you get it? Oh, maybe it's going to be Abby. You gonna get in there, Pard? Oh, maybe it's Pard. Oh. Did you get it? Who got it? Did somebody get it? Oh, oh. Uh-oh. It's gonna